Ashwin, there is one word which I guess describes Monday's price action: short covering.
Good morning, Nikunj. I think for me the most important thing is that if we can spend the next few days, which could be couple of weeks, 3 weeks, in this 4800, 5000 band, I think a lot of the poison will get out of the system in terms of the pressure on the downside, because you cannot suddenly expect that on one fine day the market reverses and goes back to 5300. We need to have some kind of a base or some kind of confidence coming back that we are not going to go below 4780, 4750, whatever. So if we can do this range, which we have been doing for the last 2 or 3 weeks, since we made that low of about 4780 the first time, we have been in a range, and if this range continues for the rest of this month, I think it would be a good outcome. So given that, I think in terms of the indices, we are going to remain choppy as long as 4780 holds on, and if we remain choppy, it will be difficult to trade the index. So the way my trading goes is that we wait for the market to develop directional characteristics and then try to push our case. Trading within this 100 150 point type of band often does not lead to great profits. So the idea should be that we are entering a choppy environment, so people should kind of change their mindset and their volume according to a choppy market. Individuals are likely to do much better, so probably for the next 2-3 weeks going the individual way is the right way to go. Nifty for the day needs to cross 4825 to be positive. The support would be at 4792 and 4737. Resistance would be at 4880 and 4913. Bank Nifty needs to stay above 9292. CNX IT above 5861. Now BTSTs from yesterday, BPCL was a buy with a stop about 710, target of 735. Jet Airways was a buy with a stop about 300, target of 335. Ambuja Cement was a buy with a stop about 144, target of 162. Fresh calls, Divi's Lab found support at the 20 DMA. So this is a buy with a stop about 900, target of 975. Delta Corp is a buy with a stop about 57, target of 71. This is finding buying around this 50-55 type of zone. SBI again has had a decent correction, so this is a buy with a stop about 2000, target of 2130. The defensives are facing relentless pressure, so continue to be negative on defensives. Colgate Palmolive is a sell with a stop about 1175, target of 1080. Asian Paints is a sell with a stop about 3750, target of 3500. And Hind Unilever is a sell with a stop about 418, target of 395.